Today let's discuss about data types and variables. In Java, all the data or information are stored with the help of data types. We have two types of data, which are primitive and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types are predefined and are used just to store values. They are int, float, Boolean, etc., whereas non-primitive data are basically classes, interfaces, or arrays. A programmer like you and me could create non-primitive data types. Now let's discuss about variables. The characteristic of primitive and non-primitive data type changes depending on where it is initialized. A variable can be considered as a container which can hold values. There are three types of variables in Java: local, static, and instance variables. Let's discuss about local variable. Any data type which is initialized inside a method, constructor, or even inside a block is called a local variable. Every local variable must be initialized and do not have any default values. Now, instance variable. Any data type which is initialized outside a method, constructor but inside a class is called an instance variable. Every instance variable has a default value. These are accessed with the help of objects. Now, static variable. Any data type which is initialized outside a method or constructor but inside a class with a prefix static is called a static variable. Every static variable has a default value. These are accessed with the help of a class. Upscale zone, the corporate, trainers,